Oh, you want to see a picture of my kids? They're called the CHACHOS. Roll that intro.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a
I was between that intro or like a James Bond FBI, like, here's my ID. You know, like they always do the flap down, but anyway, Santoro Fabworx. I'm sure the audio is awful because I'm just making these friggin' jingle jangle sounds, so I'm gonna put them down and hopefully that's better. Santoro Fabworx, you see that I have a bunch of stuff from them on my bike. I like what they do. They have a lot of really good quality parts. Gold candy paint is the theme we're going with here. I have the engine bolt kit. Now, I'll be very transparent with you guys. You guys are gonna see me half-ass some of these. Specifically, there's 2 or 3 bolts on the right side of the engine that I believe we're gonna have to drop the exhaust for, and I'm just not doing that today. That'll be something I come back and finish off the bolt or 2 that's in that spot at a later date, a couple of weeks. I've been doing a lot of installs this weekend, as you probably see from the last couple of shirts, or the last videos I've worn. It's the same exact shirt. I have the parts in the back that are takeoff. I haven't even brought them to my storage unit yet, the ones that I'm gonna save, and I haven't thrown out anything. I've been going on, this is probably between yesterday and today, my 10th total hour, which is great. I love doing installs. I really do love working on bikes. The only thing that makes it annoying is that I got a video every time. I got to bring it to the computer, a lot of editing and stuff. So, but I like making videos and helping out the community and explaining what I'm doing on my bike and stuff as well. But anyway, that's where we're at. I'm not dropping the exhaust right now. Small stuff, like I believe on the left side for one of the bolts, maybe 2, for the primary cover, we're going to have to remove the foot control. That's simple enough. Just grab the 1 bolt, back it out, and just kind of tilt it, and that should be fine. But anyway, I did upgrade, which I hope I don't regret, but I did upgrade to the black bolts. I'm hoping that these don't come, or the finish comes off and they rust like a lot of black bolts do. The bike stays in the garage. It's not an outdoor bike, but still you get caught in the rain or whatever. So time will tell. Hopefully I don't have to change these over time, but it is what it is. I did the black bolt kit because I felt like it would make the gold pop more, because I have the black engine, black bolts, gold chacho. So it's just all cohesive instead of adding a 3rd color being the stainless steel. So yeah, the kit comes, unless you add extra stuff, which I did not, kit comes with VVT point cover, transmission lid, transmission side / clutch actuator cover, lifter blocks, cam chest cover, derby cover, and primary cover, and all the bolts are listed accordingly. There are some things on this bike that I cannot do with these, because like the VVT point cover, or nope, never mind. The VVT point cover doesn't come with, I don't think it has a cam cover. Cam chest cover, that might be included in the cam chest cover. I gotta count the bolts, but my cam, like just the small cover, the 2 bolt cover, I have a different part on it. So, and the bolts are different the way the inlays are with it. So I won't be able to use this for some stuff like that. But the majority of stuff we should be able to use. Hopefully it, you know, comes out really good. So just come with me as I walk around crawl around the bike and just install these parts one by one.